Welcome back to Things I Forgot About in the Bar. This is a set of 12-volt beam lights. The package is filthy. There's probably been drinks spilled on it and shit over the years. I don't know. It's been around forever. These have a rich history, believe it or not. It says custom down here. This is the kind of thing that you would add to a Honda Civic that would give it like 20 more horsepower. VTEC kicked in, bro. VTEC kicked in, bro, you know. Directional blue beams illuminate interior. Directional blue beams illuminate interior. Gee, does that sound like LEDs? They're directional. These were actually kind of neat. It says 23049, 12-volt beam lights. Accessories of the future and beyond. Mounting tape included, convenient on-off switch. XT button is on-off switch. Okay. And it's got a cautionary tale. Do not install any accessory near or on airbags. Never obstruct driver's view. Well, what about you fucking Gen Zers that put your phone mount right smack in the middle of your fucking windshield? What the fuck is that about? How could you possibly put that there? That is retarded. Then it says precaution, clean surface area before mounting. Custom Accessories Inc. Niles, Illinois, 60714 USA. Custom Accessories Europe Limited. Amesbury, UK, SP47RT, made in China, copyright 2002 CA. These have a rich history. This was originally going to go in Old Clanky. And I had all sorts of ideas. And I don't know how the package is open, but it's not. I might have to slice it all the way open, because there's no way that wire, I guess this is never taken out of the package, so we're just going to do it because it's doing no good in the package. And we'll take it out and test it out. Wow. Yeah. It's got one of them. Yeah, I mean, the package is kind of disgusting anyways. So it could be without the package. There. And then that will come out. There it goes. Good. Okay. Out of here. It plugs in. And it has the XT button. Sort of. And it has two really, really thin wires coming out. See? Really, really thin. And it goes to these, which are simply a blue LED and a blue LED. And that's all it is. Let's get a power supply. This one shouldn't work. I think it turns on and only runs for like a second, but we'll get bored of it pretty quick. So let's see if I can remember how to work this thing. There you go. Does it work if we just plug it in, or you got to press more buttons to make it go? It works. That's it. That's what it does. It's blue. Turn the lights out. It's blue. And you could have a spot, or you could angle it so it cascades and it makes a blue spot. We'll put a blue spot up on the wall. There's a blue spot on the wall. And that's what it does. And yes, it has the round thing in the middle because LED. And that one is not as pronounced. Wow. Yeah. The housing lights up even. And I don't know. This would have just been kind of neat in old Clanky somewhere and never did. That's the pack going out because it does that. Because it doesn't sense a load or something. It just is. And I'm sure that if I had put these in over all the years that I drove old Clanky, eventually they would have faded like every other blue LED, especially because this is from 2002. And if you recall, around that time, this was getting, blue LEDs were getting very, very popular around right after the 2000s. There were some earlier ones from the very late 90s, but it was mainly more of a getting into the 2000s kind of thing. And from 2002, these were still some of the early ones. I vaguely seem to remember I had another set of these somewhere, and they were a different shade because they didn't make them consistently. The colors of the LEDs would vary from batch to batch, and that still goes on today, but if they're all from the same batch, then they're pretty much the same. So like every day the mixture is a little bit different, like a different chef or something like that, and that really is it. That's all it does. And I thought maybe I would put this in the bar to make like a blue spot on the bar somewhere. Right. Didn't end up doing that, and definitely don't need it with all of the other lights these days. You wouldn't even see it. So there's that. Losing my voice after all this talking. So I guess that's going to do it. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.